Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I will show you on how you can go ahead and fix Tonkeeper wallet app not working. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. So if you're having some problems with the Tonkeeper wallet, I'm going to show you on how you can fix multiple problems with the application. So first things first, we need to go ahead and get rid of some corrupted files or data that has been installed with the Tonkeeper application. To do that, you want to hold click the application, and from there you could just go ahead and click on app info. And right after, you now have to go ahead and head over to the storage and cache, and from here we need to go ahead and clear the cache and storage for this application. By doing this, you will be able to clear the cache and the storage for this specific application. If you go ahead and read this right here, this app's data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, database, and other app data. So you want to go ahead and click on OK, and right after opening Tonkeeper, it will then go ahead and automatically update the application from the Play Store. So you can just go ahead and open up Tonkeeper, and from there the problem will be fixed. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.